Learn how to hold your friends accountable. If they start moving mad, be friendly enough to tell them, guy, you have been moving mad. Girl, you have been moving mad. There's nothing like, oh, I'm just a chill dude. I'm just a chill girl. I'm just a girl. Like, because some of you on this app, even in the real world, sometimes I'm like, were you raised on this planet? Or did you migrate to this planet? Because what's going on? What is going on? Like, the more you don't keep your friends or you don't hold them to a standard of accountability, the more you are supporting their behavior. And there's nothing you will say to excuse yourself from the fact that you stood by and watched your friend display strings. I call it strings of madness in the community because we are seeing the nonsense they are doing. Then you're like, oh no, they are just my friend. Now all of you join together, there's a problem.